Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my plant and crystal tour because I've been going kind of crazy on the witchy stuff, kind of crazy on the plants, kind of crazy on the crystals. I love it so much, so I'm going to show you guys that. So let's get right into it. So the first one I have is this cactus, and I keep this on my desk at all times. That way the sun gets to it. But yeah, I recently actually got this cactus because one of my cactuses died. Don't ask how I did that. Not sure. This is what's called a brain cactus. This is a really interesting one. And then I also have this tiny little succulent right here. So that's what's on my desk. When it comes to my window ledge, I have this one. So these are all the same plant, just different, they're in different pots. Basically, I was given like a bunch of these clippings of this plant, and so I decided to grow them, and I now have a bunch of growing plants, which is really cool. One of my friends did that for me, so I was really, really happy about that. I have this one. I have this one, and these are all the same plants. And I also have this one. And then when you go over to my little shelf here, I have the same exact plants. And I have this one over here. And I have this one over here. Then I have one plant on my table. This is actually a mix between a flower and the plant that I just showed you. So I'm going to show you guys. So I decided to plant some of the clippings in here just to help the flowers grow, which it has been helping a lot. And it grows these little pink flowers, which I'm obsessed with. So I always keep that on my table because I think it looks really nice there, and it also gets a lot of sun that way. Then I have my little, whatchamacallit, it's like a ladder shelf thing. This I have this plant right here. I have this one that I'm trying to grow which is taking a little while. I have this plant, which is the same plant as you can tell. And then I have 3 of the same plants here. So I have this one, I have this one, which, by the way, this is my Alice mug, my little Alice cup that I've had forever, and I love it because I'm obsessed with Alice in Wonderland. And then I have this one, which is like really getting long. So that's what's in my living room. Oh, and my cactus right here. Can't forget about this one. I have this cactus, and yeah, I love this cactus. I always have it next to my reading area. And let's go to the bedroom. Now, in the bedroom, I have this plant right here, which is the same plant, except it's hanging. I have this one right here, which is also the same plant. And I have this cactus, which I had for so long, so I'm really surprised it's not dead yet, but who knows, it might be dying. I really hope not, though. But yeah, those are my plants, so I'm going to show you guys my crystals. So the first one I have is this amethyst. I love it. I've had it forever. I have calcite right here, which is super beautiful as well. I have clear quartz. I have rose quartz. I have celestite. I have this quartz geode from Morocco. I have this beautiful amethyst tree. I have this quartz right here, which is one of my biggest ones. And I have this giant rose quartz as well. So those are my 2 big ones. And the last one is this one, which is Larimar, and it was actually from Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, when I went. So yeah, those were all my crystals and all my plants. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini haul / tour. And if you guys want more videos like this, please let me know in the comments down below, because I love filming this kind of stuff. So, oh, I forgot one last plant. Oh my god, as if I forgot this. Okay, let me show you this one. So this last plant right here that I'm going to show you guys before I leave you, this is a pineapple plant. I'm not even kidding. What ended up happening was, when me and my fiance started dating literally like 7 years ago, he had planted this pineapple. So he planted this pineapple in high school as a project. And he ended up leaving it at his home with his mom, and it has been growing ever since. And now it is this big when it used to be nothing. And yeah, we've been literally waiting for years for it to grow into a pineapple. It's crazy. It's crazy to think, A, that pineapple's growing in my living room, and B, that he was able to keep it alive for this long. That's just like unbelievable to me. And it's huge. But yeah, that was my video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram. Oh, and I created a TikTok, so you guys better follow me on there because I think I'm pretty funny if I do say so myself. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.